Aerial shots of luxurious hotels, pristine beaches, and exotic destinations. Welcome to the Gold List 2025, your ultimate guide to the world's most extraordinary hotels and resorts. From iconic city landmarks to secluded island paradises, these properties redefine luxury, service, and unforgettable experiences. Let's explore the best of the best. First, let's dive into the world of luxury city hotels. The Ritz Paris is a timeless icon, offering opulent rooms and Michelin-starred dining. Meanwhile, the Four Seasons Hotel George V dazzles with its lavish interiors and world-class art collection. And in Hong Kong, the peninsula combines historic charm with cutting-edge technology and stunning harbor views. These hotels aren't just places to stay, they're destinations in themselves. Next, let's escape to the world's most breathtaking beach resorts. Four Seasons Bora Bora offers overwater bungalows and crystal-clear lagoons. Amanpulo in the Philippines is a private island retreat with pristine beaches and luxurious villas. And Sonava Fushi in the Maldives combines barefoot elegance with eco-friendly practices. These resorts are the epitome of paradise, perfect for relaxation and adventure. For the ultimate wildlife experience, head to these top-tier safari lodges. Singita Grumeti in Tanzania offers luxurious accommodations and unparalleled wildlife viewing in the Serengeti. And Beyond Ngala in South Africa combines conservation with luxury, while Mambo Camp in Botswana's Okavango Delta is known for its high-end amenities and incredible wildlife encounters. Craving alpine luxury, Amon-la-Melazin in Courchevel, France is a ski-in/ski-out resort with gourmet dining, Six Senses. Bhutan offers a collection of lodges across stunning landscapes, blending wellness and culture. And in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, Amangani provides breathtaking views of the Grand Tetons and luxurious accommodations. Rejuvenate your mind and body at these world-class wellness retreats. Como Shambhala Estate in Bali is a holistic jungle retreat offering personalized wellness programs. Shah Wellness Clinic in Spain focuses on health, nutrition, and longevity. And Kamalaya in Thailand is an award-winning sanctuary for detox, yoga, and stress relief. Step back in time at these cultural and historic properties. Ashford Castle in Ireland blends old-world charm with modern luxury. Bellman Hotel Caruso in Ravello, Italy, offers stunning Amalfi Coast views and rich cultural experiences. And Taj Lake Palace in Udaipur, India is a floating palace known for its royal heritage and impeccable service. Finally, let's explore the future of luxury travel with these emerging destinations. Explora Patagonia in Chile offers adventure and comfort in Torres del Paine National Park. Capella Ubud in Bali is a tented camp blending luxury with nature. And Zanier Hotel Sonop in Namibia is a desert retreat offering glamping-style luxury and unique experiences. Whether you're dreaming of a city escape, a beach paradise, or a cultural adventure, the Gold List 2025 has something for every traveler. Which of these destinations is calling your name? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more luxury travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.